see that?
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah, but you have to give him style. Naturally, no. I'm telling you, say, lifestyle is deal. It's like a movie.
Yeah, man, I don't lie, man.
We don't have to act.
No, we don't have to act. Every day we live it.
A movie alone and be acting.
Yeah.
SEAVIEW, movie,
Real life thing.
real life. It's real character, everything. Natural as
well.
well.
When you wake up this morning, plan to have something. We just wake up this morning.
Yeah.
I mean, wake up
We
this
no
morning.
plan
do some
nothing.
work. Every man just wake up.
Yeah, for do what they want.
And then the camera just gets involved.
Yeah.
And then the movie star life was chipping naturally. And them say like get a superstar.
Yeah.
See Billy there, at the baddest goat in the place.
When the Billy?
Yeah man, she and her pitney them.
They cheer them.
Yeah, come see Billy have fitting now these days.
Yeah, Billy have kids, you know.
From what you I don't see her. But no, you would
They
buy.
are three and they like it too much problem. They have lock her off, you know. Go for a year or so, them say. Look her out for the new year.
Lock her up.
Yeah, man, lock her
Like, yeah, I heard no video here.
Why follow her?
People right, she go take away, you know.
It's a
Follow her.
pull prankster doing a service.
Follow her. Follow her. Oh, follow her can't sleep, so. Follow her. Yeah, call. Oh, you can't sleep, so why you sleeping so long, follow her? Yeah, stretch.
Dive and biggie, man.
Yeah,
Man,
and that triple king bed.
no man, bed no big stuff.
Yeah.
Up on the ground, female.
Sure. Triple king size, man. A triple king size for her asleep, you know. That's early man, not a good life. It's a Jamaica good life and a cool life.
Cool life, man.
Cheers.
Yeah, well, from where you from where else? If you don't really bored, don't get no bored, that's Scotch Road. Walter. Yeah, come down here, come live from where you. Because I don't go primary school down here, I don't go basic school down here, but I go primary. But when I don't even go primary, I usually go John Mills, primary and junior. From the I left John Mills now and go high school.
Yeah. So what's the next step for Jamaica to make things better for them?
We just have to just try do the positive work, you know, and try do the best work we can for try show the people them say Jamaica nice, you know. Make others can come and walk freely, enjoy the climate and everything.
Yeah.
So if we don't welcome people in the community, people abroad, then we kind of start
Yeah,
make the community better.
But yeah, most definitely.
We see the government really not
Not doing enough, you know, as I was saying, all of them things is a business and everybody going there for just take a cut off of the bread, you know. We know the system, you know. Them set the system, you know. Yeah, which is right, me I tell you. Because if me going to parliament, the same thing me I go do. Me I tell you. So we, as a poor man, we can just talk about a thing while we not going to change it.
Yeah. You have to do something.
You get me? Not going to change it.
But we know that politics is not for the people.
No. But them say a politics run the country. You get me?
You can't deny that.
If you pre-it, you know, we all have street lights. Most places dark in Jamaica. You understand? And the government is supposed to make sure say, yo, them put up street lights in the place where dark, we know so the people them can comfortable because people like light. We know say, yo, yeah, them not for worry about nothing. You understand? Yeah man, cause most places dark. If you travel up and down, most places like on the highway them. It's like how you have on the highway, you have bag of light. Why you can't have bag of light in a housing scheme or near a housing scheme? To make the place get bright. So say people can stay from far and see everyone.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah, but it do they know, like they all about same like no, but most of them like the main road them as I tell you. You see, cause couple like they nice scheme, what, around 6 main light on the stretch as we are tell you, but some of them not working. We always have them problem there. From we have board light posts we usually throw a big stone on the light post, you know.
You turn on, yeah. I used to kick it.
I would kick
I
it
was
up.
get
So
some.
the notion is that some people stone the light post with take up the light.
No, you turn it on.
We turn it on. As soon as we turn the light post, we turn it on.
The vibration, I
vibrate.
kick it. Cause most time the lights them.
Come on, because normally
Yeah.
if you come on by itself like when we reach certain hours, like
6 o'clock.
Yeah, supposed to come on by itself.
7.
And now come on. So the place get that more where we have to throw a big stone on it.
So now, anybody ever come together, like if you know the problem exists, you team up with somebody in Virgin and just wow, down at JPS and sign up a petition and say, yo,
Alright, I'm not going people being processed a lot. But everything like JPS, everything. Cause you have people, them you know they are them yard and JPS all send out
Bills.
Yeah, and them are send out bills. Alright, I don't know them charge for them wire as well, you know.
yeah.
You understand I'm all the time. But remember me not use nothing on me yard. So any charging so on a service where you're not supposed to charge, on a charge is you're not supposed to reach at least 5 bills. Cause nothing now use. And when you left your yard now for around a week or 2 weeks and you come back and by the time you get your bill now, you see your bill there one party or one that.
Yeah.
What you use.
And you never dare you.
And you never dare here. No, I serious something.
I just since like recently, them
Yeah.
start put 1 and 2 light.
Lie. Them start them a set the thing I know man. Them a take time set the thing.
Yeah, so since recently, we see them start try to do that. But it can be more.
Jamaica government, but they are now, you know. I mean, no, so no watch my program. want to be loving and speak good about, you know, at all times. So you want to know for the world to SEAVIEW and talk about the light thing. If you don't see this program, help them with the light, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah man, cause we have all of the homeland where them people drop even 2 main light tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
cause that people
Too
do
dark,
go
man.
to and from.
That's the ball field. Where the
That's
ball field is.
field. People do go to and from and it's very, what me tell you, say, very dark. And people go to and from. So I just that.
Jamaica good life, we're up on the ground. More boots up on the ground, make more sound.
She?
Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is Randy with Hot Feet
Jabert.
and Shernette.
Yeah.
Blessings, are you guys married?
No, we don't mind that. But them say we married because good while. Yeah,
How long you been together?
Right. Going to 21 years.
21 years?
So 21
Do you have
years.
children together? You don't have kids? No children?
Yeah.
Does he treat you nice and lovely and it make you happy and feel good and everything?
Yeah.
You not left him for nothing.
Nothing at all.
And the love story, this and them things that I come find out and faith. The things of your music will come for your life. This is your lady. So why you don't hide her hot feet?
No man, we never do that hard man. More time feed all of the camera. Me is a man where you know me more. He a deal with the outspoken, deal with the people.
Okay,
She deal with
okay.
people.
Keep her in the
You
background.
don't know shit.
Alright, look at that. Are you a seasoning? Watch your face,
It's
hot
always
feet.
so
Wipe
bad.
off your face, hot feet. You can't season for your face.
Yeah, what is? Eh? That's mine and
Make
she
your
flash
lady
it.
wipe it off it.
Mine and she flash it and it get too much. Eh?
One of my original season.
Your thing?
Yeah.
People love it.
Yeah, man. My blend up.
You blend up.
Yeah, man.
So you watch Jamaica Good Life?
Yeah, man, every day.
Every day?
As I turn on the TV, so
Oh,
I
you wake
Jamaica
up and-
good life.
7 days of the strong.
Yeah.
Yeah, for right, son.
It's a pleasure to be among you. Explain to me, Hafi. This is your chunks, and you have saltfish. I cook this stuff. Jamaicans all over the world make sure so they don't come and Hafi kitchen, you know.
So, you know what, go. We're going to fry up the chunks now, you see me? We really want too much oil, you see me?
Okay.
Yeah, we have fry up the seasoning now,
Mm-hmm.
and then we deal with the chunks. Throw in the chunks.
So you make your own seasoning. You've been cooking for a while. Now who teach you?
One that's growing up. in my home.
Yeah.
Always cooking. My mom always go to the market and she leave me inside cooking.
Did you buy these chickens locally
Yeah.
with the chicken lady?
My virgin grow them.
The virgin grow them?
Yeah, my name Al.
Organic and everything?
Name Al.
About approximately how much for one?
Alright. I'm gonna sell it by the pound for $200 a pound. You see me? Yeah.
So how many chicken is this?
It's around 5 chicken, 20 pounds. You know.
5
Them
chicken.
big, you know.
How much it
It's
was?
gonna be at 20 at pound. As she has said, sell the chicken them up. Them big, and then 4 pounds.
So when I do a cookout, we just do it here by the chicken and
Yeah,
for the community do it here.
Yeah, true.
Like the man said, I have to do a cookout before I leave.
Yeah, man, so you don't know what already.
Chunks!
At the ground cookies and I make it taste right.
Okra and the carrot. You know, the coconut
Yeah.
oil. Coconut oil.
Yeah, all the time. Yeah. Yeah. Some vegetable oil.
So we're going to change your thing to, we're going to change your thing to coconut, okay? Change and balance. You see, we change the burning thing, then we change your oil to coconut. Every time.
Since a girl can never cut up ever other thing. You see me?
Let's see. Cooking in Kingston, split it up in two. Yes. So what is life for you? What keeps you going? What makes you strong and persevere?
Well, the business, always working.
And this is your business?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Spend most of my time.
Cooking with hot feet.
Yeah.
So it's J and J,
G&R.
J and R.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's what's the J stand for? Judy. And the R stand for? Robert. So Robert your name? Get your blouse and skirt. Robert your name.
It's it. You're not too long one day.
So Robert to call
Let's
you.
call the R and say Jabber.
Jabbert. Okay,
That's why
okay.
I
You did say
first
that.
artist name cause you know, so I had somebody one night and remember normally me at Europe used to always fire and always I say, yo, I see how your name and the name where I give me never stuck for me. I needed to name myself, you know?
Yeah.
So me there and say Jabber.
Jabbert.
When everybody a pass,
No,
I
I rock
ask them.
nobody, sir.
Everybody a pass, I ask them if a channel there Jabber, and everybody say Jabber, but me they don't choose Jabber because you don't know what I say. Jamaica good life.
Jamaica good life.
If you are going what to do.
Can't stay.
No man, I
At
don't tell
feet.
man.
At that more of it.
Everything you do, see, I can selfish.
You're pretty, man.
Yeah.
Yes, Jamaica good life. And this one I come for. When I say hot feet pot, you know, so I'm lucky stuff. And I know so I have to eat hot feet. Trunks. Trunks I come for hot feet. And I say,
One of the uncle them that you cut up and see me say
Jamaica good life, see there? Chunks me I deal with. Boy, if you could stay at SEAVIEW and you just cook the chunks every day. No, this is soy chunks. Alright? So what do you think about the soy and the GMO thing? You know, so the soy, them all I try to destroy that too. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
So I have to watch the thing, you know? But, we can't be perfect, you know? So you chop up the pumpkin, then you're not going to peel it because the pumpkin skin good along with the seed. When you blend the seed to on our drinks, activate that.
Sometimes.
And the middle, right?
When I do the punch. The punch. When I do them seed when that's your man? Eh? Okay. I told me to see the market drop on the gun yesterday. Yes, Doc Spence there.
Well, I'm tell you know, keep me busy, you know. Spencer. Spencer, I see you, man. I see you, I think so when I see you, you know. You're the taxi, man. You have your number?
Yeah, man, we have a number, man.
This is Spencer. It's a pleasure, sir.
Yes, sir.
You represent Jamaica with honor.
Yes.
Go watch you all over the world. You're strong, you're firm, you're father. Let me see if your handshake stronger than my one.
But yeah, use 2 on Randy.
I 2 on me, I feel, you know.
Yeah.
I 2 on me.
66.
66? And that's how you stay? I want to go on with you, Spencer. I want to go.
Randy, I try to pull him.
I want to go on with you, Spencer. I saw you deal with it. How are you drinking in the morning?
I don't drink nothing since
What
morning,
you
you
eat?
know. Well, my wife give me natural food to eat, you know. You know, deal with nothing in cooking oil, neither butter, not anything there, you know.
You're strong.
Yes, man.
How are you drink?
Well, me's a man with drink called my roots, you know.
Oh, and the roots, my feel.
Yeah.
Strong like a lion, and you're 60 how much?
6, me tell you.
You know, can't take my woman from me.
No,
See, look,
right,
my woman
man.
around you.
66.
Come on, strong, sir. Strong, it's Spencer.
Yeah, man.
Spencer outside.
Down the road.
Come check you, you know.
Yeah, man.
And if me not check you this time, I'll come look for you. Sit down with you, man.
I'm me, man.
Love,
The
and
taxi man,
Strong.
Bud Spencer,
See you
man.
there,
So you
man,
have him number,
people.
right?
Yeah, man.
Original Bud
So
Spencer,
if we
man.
need for roll now, we'll link you.
Yeah,
All right,
I'm
Mr.
love.
Roger.
Love.
Yes.
Good to see you.
One love.
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 Man, strong.
Iron, me, yo.
Love.
Alright.
Iron.
You.
I'm Spencer will
See it
drive
out
on.
China. People feel a strength.
Yeah, and so Spencer strong.
So I get amped in the people. And SEAVIEW, man, them feel the strength. Feel the love.
Good life.
Good life. Back to hot feet. Okay.
You know, when I ask you for boil and mash too much. You want to put less water in the pot, it's better.
So do you guys you go to the country a lot? You don't go to the country more time?
Well, sometimes, like a year time, but this year we don't get free from them. I'm better than when I normally travel, but at the time, you know, I forget.
Yeah.
Busy in the city, you know.
I work.
Yeah,
When you get up in the morning and just start cook.
Get up in the morning and we go look good on the road. It's either me go up on the road or she go up on the road and get the thing right. Yeah. There, I know I got. Great.
So your dreams and goal ultimately is to have a bigger place like a real
Yeah.
real kitchen.
Yeah.
Yo, gangster, stop for a minute there. Yeah, look over here, another van there. Let's see what I'm going.
I move up. Yeah.
Move.
When I work me to them, man.
Yeah.
It's a busy scheme.
Mm-hmm.
Love the food. So the water pressure here is good?
Yeah, the water is okay, yeah, man. Pressure eye.
Strong. Love it. Smell good. So what normally you eat with the chunks, hot feet?
Well, normally they do it, they will eat like breadfruit, anything with it, festival rice.
So the fry festival too?
Yes.
What time food done?
Yeah, so ready by 1 o'clock.
By 1 p.m.?
1 o'clock.
Okay.
Two. Lock up waters up a weekend.
I want to roast and pre-roast and the breadfruit.
The breadfruit and roast.
Ready. So that's a warm-up thing.
They also eat it with bread as well.
Okay.
Chunks
So
and
they eat the chunks with everything.
Yeah.
some people buy it, eat it alone, so.
Give her a call here.
I look for the life.
And they are saying to us that, watch you know, we're not good.
Yeah.
So me I said then bring a challenge and make it be peaceful. And them just bring the challenge come. The first day them come,
Van that one blue van.
with Jar.
I hear blue van that beside
First day them come,
Black,
Jar.
yeah, turn back.
So the next week when them come, at 3 6s we send them home with.
And them not come back.
All them for come back, them shame. I remember them have a partner team where they go play, you know. And we play cutthroat domino.
Yeah.
You see me, but our cutthroat domino, by the end of the day,
Yeah.
it becomes a part of the game. Because if you win, and I don't win, me can't play with nobody else on the board win. So it's either me or you. So the other 3 man when I win, which is me, him and him, playing the same thing. So we might liable to get 6 from 1 man. Because no man a leg on a man. That's how we play domino.
And a years you are dealing.
Years you are doing, man, I have a fight about man. I have a fight about man to do it, man.
When I see I throw down the 6, I say I'm afraid of them man. Yeah.
Sometimes me get all 5, you know.
Him give 5, 6.
Not only alone, but the game.
Get all 5, man get all 9.
We play a 50 game and a man can't win
I
none.
win 1.
A 50 game and a man can't win none.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man,
Teach
so-
one, I teach I teach.
Great, you know.
Nobody teach feels
But I feel like a crack nut, you know. A whole a nut. You say me, watch it now. You say me I go play underneath him and if me I go play underneath him, man, you know me have to do for win a game. Me have to size him.
Play like a mad.
Sykes him get on me double 5, he take it and me not take it and in my one that say. And I have it, so I'm give it back and run again. I it win. I want to win, I can't win him.
Johnny Blacksmith.
Yeah. Anyhow, you make him know you're on.
You dumb. I know you play.
So him stay.
Yeah man, good man, real good and him uplift it enough of it too because him did spend time doing it. Over, so you know. And we're cussing now. But that physical.
Not
physical.
Just say, idiot, man.
When you see the game and you know the game, the man, the other man, the pass or fight and me and you alone win it. Meaning, I must me have it.
Yeah. But sometimes the
You see
brain
me?
just stray and make a little one mistake. Them not focus me to you know, because about the way sometimes I don't even remember. Where I'm done that play, you know, I'm kind of play the wrong thing, you know. I don't know, but
Yeah, man.
we not fight.
Johnny, see my brethren Carlos. Carlos,
Man, now I could have forgot about the
the thing. Where I drink? Just tell him where I drink.
You
don't want nothing else. You don't want nothing else. Come give me my hug, man. I'm family. What do you mean you don't got man? I'm
That's the one at the crowd. Have
We
to
are a big man.
Yeah, man, when they have a
Big
family,
man.
man.
No,
Watch out,
give me my hug. Come
Watch
here.
out,
that's your father.
No, watch
Yeah,
out.
man, that's how we do it, man.
We have my uncle.
I'm a
Watch
boss.
out. We have my uncle in England, you know. We have my uncle in England. It means so much things to me. More well when my chat alone than you. Me I make it know so what's up going on.
No, what I mean, sir.
You know me love you.
Yeah, true.
You can't hug your brother. You're supposed to hug your brother.
Yeah.
You're supposed to hug a true friend.
And man,
You see me say brother?
No, it's not about the true friend, nothing. You know, it's not like me not feel
No
good.
man, I was teaching. We teaching and breaking. What is it this are you at?
Me no want to break it. Me no want to get too close to them with them.
I see
You
my
know
laughing.
why you are
You know
gonna
what
get
that
close
mean?
to?
I laughing.
Alright,
Well, say I get
who we are deny? Alright, what is it that you
You
know?
mean Johnny about me?
Probably art is true.
Alright, so hold on.
They kiss a man.
Hold on.
Them not see man do that.
Hold on, let me tell you.
Alright,
That
let me demonstrate it to him.
You're going too far.
No,
This is
one
what
more
I'm
time to
saying.
make me understand.
I mean, they're not like
You
homosexual,
say,
like the Syrian them and the
somebody else
Russian
said
them.
to you,
I kiss
say.
them one another.
Then if
Yeah,
your heart
but
is
when I
clean,
reach that far,
what
then
are
when I
you
reach
worried
that
and
far,
thinking
then.
about the
You see me I say?
It mean in your heart, so what you think of?
Yeah, true.
Remember now, in some heart is clean.
Yeah.
So if your heart is clean and you hug up this man, so what can you be thinking about? if
That's
your heart
true.
is clean?
That's true.
It's not about things. But still, you try fight my character.
No,
If my
but you're
character, you
not-
try fight
but
the
you're
sun right now.
but I'm not-
Because if I don't like a thing, no religion, no politics can force me to accept it.
Yeah, you just don't like it.
We just don't like it.
Well, I
don't
don't
me not accept it. I don't accept me and the man on the bread and bread, you know. We just don't embrace people.
Oh, yeah, and I just you that.
Alright? We understand,
$1
but what I know?
million more than
What I know? What I know? What break it.
Anyway, make us stop that.
No man, we are reason man. Man, we can reason.
Yeah.
Man, we can reason. Man and man. Then all the changes, man.
Yeah, true.
Look over there, so you look at the container.
True,
You
Black.
have a reason. Then if you're not a reason, who are you in this world?
I reason that because
You have a reason.
you have a reason.
Another more time we're out there saying that we have difference, you know.
Yeah.
We and even Kimo have difference, you know. You see the next morning, the next night, Kimo come back. Kimo say, what's on Johnny Blacks? Yo, with the business I would have fought, Kimo. Yo, that.
Yeah.
That's how it go.
Up again.
That's
And
how
you
it
must
go.
respect that, so.
I respect that.
It's not nothing against you.
But what you may
It's
say,
about
I
my...
know, but here's the thing, sometimes someone come with new changes to make your life better. One time in my life, I used to say no to everything.
When a man show me a new thing, I say, you know what?
Because you have to learn and the learning process.
Change, you know?
Watch out,
I'm respect.
Yeah, but I respect this thing. You can't fight this thing.
Respect. When you say the come, I know
You're
you're...
Russia and a man say kiss the man.
No, that's a different thing that a Jamaica.
That's a Russian and greet them one another.
Yeah, but we know that Russian, we know Jamaica. So why think about Russia?
And Jamaica
No, but we have to why think about Russia.
true.
Because I know him
That's your time, but me
and every man me say, yo.
Yeah.
And every man me embrace, you know?
Yeah, but you man, it ain't what I mean, culture have to do them something there. So it kind of like
It's hard.
It's not that, it's not a culture thing. Yo, we are reason, listen up, we are reason still, you know.
That is the reason why we don't want to break the rhythm.
Yeah.
What we are saying. You see, enough of our teaching
Wrong.
is
Wrong.
wrong. They don't teach us to love each other.
Let
And
that
as a
show.
result, it affect we along
The way.
So you reach a Canada, you see a man, hug a man in Canada. This is it. A batty boy them there. But they are not.
Greet him, friend.